أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وما يفعلوا من خير فلن يكفروه والله عليم بالمتقين. Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I recited Surah Imran, Ayat number 115. In this ayat, Allah tells us for those people who are pious people, who are muttaqeen, the people of taqwa, who have fear of Allah, who do the good things and make them away from bad things, and they are just to run for those things which are good. So they like to hasten towards them. So these type of people are favorite before Allah, and Allah will never leave the rewards of those good deeds of those people. So at the day of judgment, rewards of those people will be multiplied by 10 times, 70 times, even 700 times, even more than uncountable times. So it depends on the level of piety, level of taqwa. So how much those people they have taqwa, so their rewards will be multiplied, will have so much respect at the day of judgment. So this way Allah wants to say here that those people should be encouraged. They should have a good mind that their good things or good deeds will have special respect before Allah at the day of judgment, and they will get the special rewards from Allah. So rewards, how much Allah will give, that will be shown that day. But Allah knows, because Allah knows the people who are people of taqwa. So this way we are just to believe that the good deeds of the people who are good people, nice people, who has Allah's fear in mind, who are just to do the good things and keep them away from the bad things, and they promote the good things and forbid the people not to do good things, not to do bad things. So those people are the best people, and Allah like them also. So we read this ayat, we will understand more better inshallah. So Allah said, وَمَا يَفْعَلُ, وَمَا, and whatever they do, min khairin, from the good deed. وَمَا يَفْعَلُ min khairin, and whatever they do good deed, فَلَنْ يُكْفَرُوهُ, فَلَنْ يُكْفَرُوهُ. So that will never be denied, never be disrespected. Wallahu, because Allah, alimun, Allah is all-knowing, bil muttaqeen, of those people who are people of taqwa. So Allah knows them, knows their action and deeds. So Allah completely knows about that. So their rewards will not go waste. They will get the high respect at the day of judgment, inshallah. So this is the message Allah conveyed here, to make the encouragement to those people who are the people of taqwa. So they must be happy that their rewards will get so much blessings of Allah at the day of judgment. It depends upon Allah's will how much they will get, how much times they will get, how much reward they will get, how much respect they will get, how much status they will get in paradise. So this is Allah's blessings will fall on those people. So those people should not be worried about that, because Allah is looking at them, and whatever they are doing, Allah knows about that. So this what Allah wants to say this one in this, that وَمَا يَفْعَلُوا مِنْ خَيْرٍ فَلَنْ يُكْفَرُوهُ وَاللَّهُ أَلِيمٌ بِالْمُتَّقِينَ. And whatever good deed they do will never be removed from them, and Allah will give them better reward. And Allah is better knowing the righteous people, the people of taqwa. So Allah knows them also. So we already learned from the last ayat that those people who are the people, good people before Allah, they have nice and good qualities, like they have strong iman in Allah and in the last day, and they try to do the good things, and they are just to advise the people to do the good things. They stay away from the bad things, and they forbid the people not to do the bad things. And they are the people, when they look anything good, they try to be quick to do that one. So they try to do it before other people they come to do. So they are hesitant to do that one. So that is the special identity of those people, that whenever they try to find, they search out good things, they try to do it at their first preference. So this is the special quality of these people, that they are every time in search of good deeds or good things, and whenever they find, they try to do at first instance. So they are just to do that one. So these are the people who will get the special reward at the day of judgment, because when they are just to do those things quickly, Allah will send them into the paradise also quickly with the greater reward. And how much reward Allah will give them, I don't know. Allah knows, because their good deeds will be multiplied how many times. That depends on mercies and blessings of Allah, because Allah is knowing everything. Wallahu alimun bil muttaqin. So Allah has knowledge of all the people who have fear of Allah, who are people of taqwa. So Allah knows them, Allah knows they are working. So this way Allah will give respect to their good deeds, and will give special status at the day of judgment, and their rewards maybe 10 times, 70 times, 700 times, or maybe like uncountable times. So that depends on mercies and blessings of Allah. But we must think now, because Allah, who is giving us so much respect and who is giving us so much status, not to us but to our deeds also. So what type of good status of respect we have for Allah? Are we in a position to be obedient to Allah? Are we doing everything according to the command of Allah? Are we happy to do everything what Allah said and Holy Prophet ﷺ has done that one? And are we following the Qur'an or Sunnah completely and fully? So what is our status in this life? Are all of our actions according to the Sharia of Holy Prophet ﷺ? So we have to look our actions, deeds, and condition of Iman. So is everything according to the message which we got from Qur'an or Sunnah? Is everything is according to Allah's blessings and special seerah, or the life sketch of Holy Prophet ﷺ? So we have to look ourselves, and then we have to find the flaws in ourselves and try to be bend before Allah and for forgiveness and astaghfar and tawbah, and then reconnect with Allah and to do the great promise of tawbah after tawbah, to be the good Muslim and good obedient to Allah, and then be entangle yourself with the Sharia and do everything according to Sharia. Don't cross the limits of Sharia in every way. So that is the need actually we have to do, and we have to respect Allah. Allah is watching us every time. Wallahu basirum bil ibad, and Wallahu samiyun alim, and Allah listen whatever we are doing or whatever we have iman, everything Allah knows about us. Allah is listening what we talk. So this way our talking, our walking, our movement, everything must be under Sharia. Then we will make Allah happy. When Allah is happy with us, then we have no problem. Our this world and the world hereafter will be better, inshallah. So you can see those people who accept Islam from other religion, if they were good generous people and they are giving away like money or something for charity, and those deeds which they have done before Islam also, and after accepting Islam, Allah will forgive their sins and they will be pure person. When they accept Islam and say Shahada, La ashhadu la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lahu wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. When they are just to connect in Islam with Shahada, Allah forgives all types of sins of those people. All types of evils are those people. This is the greatest benefit they get. Then the second benefit, what Allah will give them, whatever they have done the good work like charitable work before when they were not Muslim before, so those Allah will count those one for them also at the day of judgment. So that is the special blessings of Allah, they will get it. So this way, but the people who are disbelievers, so their all types of good things are destroyed, and they will get the sinful acts even if they are doing good deed. But if they accept Islam, those good things will get credit. So this is the blessings of Allah. So how can you can see so many hadiths about that. MashaAllah, Allah is so much kind to the people, and what we are, we have to look our position and we have to rectify ourselves. We have to look flaws which are in ourselves, and then we have to fill them and make our life more better, just following the Sharia of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and make the life, every action, every deed according to Qur'an and Sunnah, to become a successful person in this life and the life hereafter. Allah gave us tawfiq. Ameen.